Everyone, Barbara here. Today we are talking about the best time card apps that are out there. There's lots out there. I know that nobody likes time tracking. It's a pain, and your employees are going to want something that's easy to use and intuitive. Plus, on the other side, you're going to want something that you can easily extract the information that you need out of it so that you can pay your employees. So we're going to start with one of my favorites, which is Homebase. Homebase, I think, does a great job with time tracking. I mean, if you're gonna do it, you might as well make it as easy as possible. So we're going to show you how they have a demo in here, how Selena clocks into her shift. So you could use it on anything, a time clock. For your time clock, you can use a phone, point of service, or a tablet, anything like that. So you can do a check-in device, any device works. And then at the end, you've set it for a normal shift length. So if your shift length is 7.5, 8 hours, 10 hours, 12 hours, whatever it be, you have a option in there or a setting that you can put in there to remind your employees to clock out. Very, very important, because you don't know how long that they've been there. 4 hours, let's say it's a restaurant shift, you have them for 4 hours. And then she'll be able to, when the employee clocks out, they're going to be able to see on their time card how much time that they've worked and what they're going to get paid. And you can see all of your employees' time cards and timesheets. So everything is all in one place. You don't have to go into each individual timesheet. You can link into Payroll, so that's really handy. You can get it all together. So it's a really good tool, and you just simply have to invite your team in to be able to use the time map. I just find it's a super simple tool to use. So that is Homebase for time tracking app, or time app. The second one we're going to talk about is the timesheets availability within Clockify. Clockify is a tool that I like to use as well. Besides Homebase, Clockify, I'll use it for different. So Clockify, Homebase, I'll use it for hourly employees. We'll go back to that for a minute. So Homebase, I'll use it for hourly employees, restaurant employees, service-based company, service-based employees for your service-based business. Clockify you can also use for service-based business or project-based business. So let's say you have a client that you are working on for just a specific project. That's what I like about Clockify. So you'll see here that I have various different projects listed in here, and I have my time tracked. So what's nice about it, the way I do it, is let's say this is one client that I may have, or one business that I'm working with. I'll just, in the morning, as I'm starting my workday, let's say I'm the employee, I'll have all my projects listed, and then I can have it for the whole week listed across how much time that I have. And then you can pull it into an easy report, extract it into a report, and be able to send it that way. It's not quite as intuitive as Homebase, but it's also very functional if you have clients that you're working on a project by project basis. The next one is Connecteam. Connecteam, they're great for time tracking and time apps. The advantage to Connecteam is you can track your entire team. So if you have certain teams that you have running for various different, maybe a service-based business, you can track their team against them. So you can have it in one app, and you can keep track of your entire team. So you can group it in per team, is what I'm trying to say. So it's a really good tool to be able to use it. Once again, Connecteam, the same as Homebase, has all of the other bells and whistles on there: onboarding, HR, various time schedules, things like that. That's very, very nice. Versus Clockify, it's just specifically time tracking. So just to show the differentiation between those two. The next one is BambooHR. BambooHR also has time tracking. It's very, very good as well. Now, BambooHR you'll probably use more if you have a larger size company, because BambooHR is all inclusive. All of the various different tools are in there. All of your HR tools, full suite of onboarding tools, compliance tools, everything is in there. So for BambooHR, you're probably, if you have a very larger size company, or maybe medium to large size company, this is when you're going to use this for a time app. And lastly, Buddy Punch. Buddy Punch is a great tool as well. This one is used for employees that are hourly, especially employees that have a lot of changing hours. So a lot of maybe overtime or shifting shifts that are going all over the place. That's when you'd want to be able to use Buddy Punch. It's also really good for employees that are not working directly near you. You'd like to, or maybe in different time zones. It's great for remote employees. It integrates well into payroll, so it can track everything going back through. So that's Buddy Punch. Buddy Punch is also, this is a great tool. So just to summarize, Buddy Punch is for when you have hourly employees and perhaps employees spread across the globe and you have different times that they're tracking in, putting their time in. So that's what you use Buddy Punch for. Bamboo HR is also great for time apps, for time card apps. It is something you do more, have a tendency to use more in larger size companies because it's so start to finish HR inclusive, has everything built in there. Connecteam is great also for multiple different teams. So let's say you have 10 different teams of 5 employees. This is a great one to be able to track all the time and compare against all of them. So it's a great app. Clockify is very specific to a time tracking app. It does have a few integrations. It does integrate well. I've integrated it with Microsoft products before, and it works quite well. Where I can have let's say put my time on my Microsoft calendar, and then it flows automatically into Clockify. So that's a really nice integration that you can do with that. Not as it is start to finish inclusive as you're using for some of the other tools that I just talked about. It is very good, as I mentioned, for project-based work, though. Very, very good because you can mark your time against each project. These, by the way, did flow from my calendar. I didn't enter the time in here. You can, but I actually put them into my actual calendar. And then lastly, Homebase, which is my favorite. Homebase is great for employees that are hourly and they're all going across all different places, different locations. Maybe you have multiple business locations. That's what Homebase is great for. Very good for your time tracking. And then also it has that piece around team communication. So if you have questions about what they've put in for their time, you can easily communicate through their app. And then, as I mentioned, it has everything else built in here as well. So besides timesheets, it has all of the other bells and whistles in a employee management tool such as HR, productivity, payroll, of course, is built in, and you can also have your schedule in there. So thanks, everyone. I hope that helps.